Hey guys, this is Joey at Carns. Today I have for you a Kawasaki Ridge Ranch Edition. Really cool looking machine. Kawasaki just came out with these. This one's going to come with a 4,500 pound Warren winch. Nice big heavy duty bumper on there, bright headlights. A really cool kind of like metallic pearl paint on this one. And a really cool interior. The Ranch is kind of tan leatherish with black. Does come with the roof on it already. There's a pile of accessories you can get for these. You can get a full enclosure for them. They do have the Duro tires, so they're aggressive enough that you're not going to get stuck, but not so aggressive you're going to tear the yard up. Really cool decals here on the side. You do have a dump bed. It goes up super easy, comes back down super easy. So it's not like some of the other ones where it's difficult to do that. Anybody can work with this. You do have a fully functional tailgate. And you have a full-size hitch receiver in the back. This machine does have an inline 4-cylinder. It is very quiet. I would say it might be the quietest machine on the market. Come on down, take a seat at my desk, and let's work the deal out.